Most people get this wrong when comparing reward platforms. They assume the app with the highest advertised payouts automatically earns them more money. But in reality, timing, task availability, and withdrawal rules matter even more than headline rates. Here's the truth no one tells you. Freecash and KashKick both pay users for completing offers and tasks, but they are built very differently. And depending on how you use them, one can clearly outperform the other. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Freecash and KashKick compare in 2026, which one pays more in real use, and which platform actually makes sense for your time. Let's start with Freecash. Freecash is a global reward platform where you complete offers like app installs, surveys, and game levels. For example, Alex from the UK might download a mobile game, reach level 20, and earn several dollars in points. The platform is fast-paced, and new offers appear frequently. But here's the problem. Freecash rewards can vary heavily by region and device. Some users see high-paying offers, while others see fewer opportunities. This is where beginners get confused, because earnings are not always consistent. Now let's look at KashKick. KashKick is more focused on us users and tends to offer surveys, subscriptions, and simple online tasks. John from Florida might complete a short survey, or sign up for a trial, and earn a steady payout per task. Now here's where it gets interesting. KashKick is more stable, but usually slower in terms of high payouts. Freecash is faster, and can pay more per task, but it is less predictable. So it becomes a trade-off between consistency and high spikes. When it comes to payouts, Freecash usually wins on potential earnings. Some users report reaching $10 to $50 faster, depending on offer availability. But KashKick often wins on reliability, especially for users who prefer simple surveys over gaming tasks. Withdrawal methods also matter. Freecash supports crypto, PayPal, and gift cards in many regions. KashKick mainly focuses on PayPal cashouts, which makes it simpler but slightly more limited. So which one actually pays more? The honest answer is, Freecash has higher earning potential, but KashKick is more consistent for steady small earnings. If you combine both, you can maximize your opportunities instead of relying on just one platform. But here's the final insight most people miss. Your earnings depend more on your consistency than the platform itself. Daily usage, offer selection, and timing matter more than anything else. So here is the takeaway. Use Freecash if you want higher earning spikes and more variety. Use KashKick if you prefer stable, simple tasks. And if you really want to maximize, use both together strategically. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video, comment your experience with reward apps, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns that help you avoid wasting time online.